Hey guys, if you're like me or many people and you keep matchbox in your bathroom, you'll notice over time they will be harder to light because of the humidity from the shower and just the moisture in the air. So you'll try to strike it and nothing happens. It's pretty common, obviously. A small trick that you can do is to put your finger on the back of the match and push down lightly and then remove your finger just as it's lighting. So it does take a little bit of practice, but if you do it right, it will light practically every time. Now obviously be careful, you can burn yourself, you can break the match if you push too hard, and if you don't push hard enough, it won't have enough friction to correct the problem that we're trying to solve. But that's one little trick you can do if you keep matches in your bathroom and you're trying to keep them lit.